Hello, this is Rozani. What do I love about paper? The color, the feel of it, the practical use. There's so many things that I enjoy about paper. Paper allows me to explore and create with different textures and applications. It is the main ingredient for papier mâché sculpture of all types. It's so much fun and easy to do, and it can be so relaxing and calming. There are no limitations to what our minds can create with a little imagination. There are endless possibilities and projects to explore. Using my techniques, I'd love for you to join me in my demonstrations and workshops to learn more about the papier-mâché process and works in progress that I hope you will find interesting. There are lots of fun things to work on using liquid starch and different types of paper, like seasonal decorations, props, ornaments, figurines, and so many ideas for selling, gift giving, occasions, festivals, parties, and so much more. Right here on my channel, Rozani Designs Masquerade, or request a personalized workshop. Thank you for watching.